Here, when chlorine reacts with dry slate lime, it forms something called bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is CaOCl2. Now, after that, there is something down. See, the composition of bleaching powder is calcium hypochlorite dot calcium chloride dot calcium hydroxide dot 2H2. Now, what is the difference between structure of bleaching powder and composition of bleaching powder? When they ask you composition of bleaching powder, here it is what you have to write. You have to write very clearly what is given below. So, this is supposed to be your composition of bleaching powder. So, what is this? Calcium hypochlorite. This one. Calcium chloride, calcium hydroxide dot dihydrate, 2H2 dihydrate. But when chlorine reacts with dry slate lime, you are getting bleaching powder in the purest form. This is not bleaching powder in the purest form, it's a composition of bleaching powder. That means bleaching powder contains this much amount of mixtures. But when you talk about CaOCl2, what might be the structure of this compound is of great interest. Ca, OCl and Cl. See, basically Ca is 2 plus, oxychloride ion is minus 1 and the other one is neutralized by Cl minus. So, 1 minus here, another minus 1 here. Therefore, Ca2 plus satisfied. So, what is the name of this bleaching powder? Chemically, bleaching powder is also known as calcium chloride hypochlorite. This is called the structure of bleaching powder. It's very, very, very important.